So this is how you're going to archive user Google Workspace. To do this, log into the Google Admin Console. You can just choose any of the account that you want from here. Maybe I'm just going to click on this. Just make sure that you are logging into a administrator account. Otherwise, you won't be able to log it in. So for example, let's just choose this Franchel Tamayo account right here. Once you're in your administrator account, you're just going to have to click on any of the users that you have here. So you're just going to head over to your account and then click on users, and then all of the users is going to appear right here. After that, you're just going to click on more. After clicking on more, you're just going to click on archive user. And that's it. Here's a pro tip though, archiving is safer than suspension because it ensures compliance and data retention. You can always restore the account later if needed. And that's it. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more.